Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of the most powerful over-the-counter reversal setups, the reversal at power candle zone strategy. You'll learn how to spot fake breakouts, identify those big trap candles, and catch perfect counter-trend entries using Bollinger Bands. It's a simple 1-minute expiry setup that works beautifully on Pocket Option OTC pairs. So stay tuned till the end to understand every rule clearly. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Let's jump straight into the charts and see the power candle in action. All right, traders, let's understand how this strategy actually works. First, open your pocket option chart and set your time frame to 30-second candles. Then, add Bollinger Bands with settings, period 20 and deviation 2. These bands help us detect when the market stretches too far, beyond normal volatility. Now look for what I call a power candle. This candle has a large body, at least 1.5 times bigger than the last 5 candles, and a very short wick on the side it's moving. When such a candle touches or breaks the outer Bollinger Band, that's our alert zone. Here's how to trade it. Sell reversal. If a big green candle breaks the upper band, it means buyers are trapped. Wait for that candle to close, then enter a sell on the next candle. Buy reversal. If a big red candle breaks the lower band, sellers are trapped. Wait for the candle to close, then go for a buy at the next candle open. Expiry time. 1 minute. Fast, clean, and perfect for quick reversals. Money management. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Stop trading after 2 consecutive losses and focus on 5 to 7 quality setups per session. That's how you protect your balance and your mindset. Now let's talk about a few pro tips that will help you master this setup. Confirm the reversal with a strong wick rejection on the next candle. A long opposite side wick means momentum is shifting. Avoid narrow Bollinger Bands. They signal low volatility and fake breakouts. Remember, OTC pairs behave differently. Some reverse instantly, others take 0.5 seconds more. Always test and demo before going live. And never overtrade. 2 clean wins are better than 10 random entries. To make things even easier, I've created a free strategy PDF checklist. You can download it from the Telegram link in the video description and keep it open while trading. It'll help you follow every rule step by step without missing anything. Now that you understand all the rules clearly, let's move to the live chart and look for real setups in action. Let's get started with the live analysis. All right, traders, here we've got a perfect reversal at power candle zone setup forming. You can clearly see a strong bearish candle breaking below the lower Bollinger Band. The candle body is large, the lower wick is short. Exactly what we call a power candle. Once that candle closed completely outside the band, it confirmed overextension. That's the point where we prepare for a buy reversal, expecting price to pull back from this exhaustion zone. So, as soon as the next candle opened, a buy trade was taken following the exact rules of the setup. Now watch what happens next. Right from the candle's opening, price starts hesitating. Sellers are losing control. The new candle begins to push upward, showing small signs of strength. Halfway through, the candle turns green and forms a longer lower wick. That's clear rejection from the bottom zone. This movement shows that buyers are now stepping in, creating the momentum shift we were waiting for. You'll notice the candle gradually rising above the previous close. This is a strong signal that our reversal setup is working. And there it is. Trade closed in profit. Price pulled back exactly as expected, bouncing from the lower Bollinger Band with a strong bullish candle. Our reversal entry worked perfectly, a classic snapback after a power move. Now let's move on and analyze the next setup together. Here we've got a clear reversal at power candle zone setup forming. Notice the strong bullish candle extending far above the upper Bollinger Band. The body is large, the wick is small, and the momentum looks exhausted. This kind of candle often signals that buyers have pushed too far, creating a potential reversal zone. Once that candle closed completely outside the band, I prepared for a sell entry following the same rule. Wait for confirmation, then enter at the next candle open. This setup fits perfectly with the concept of overextension, followed by a quick pullback. The expiry is short, just 1 minute, keeping it simple and precise. As the next candle opened, price immediately showed hesitation. A small upper wick started forming, showing rejection from that overbought zone. You can see the momentum starting to fade. The bullish force that drove the previous candle begins to weaken. Gradually, the candle color shifts, and the body starts moving downward. That's our confirmation of selling pressure. The Bollinger Band still shows an expanded range, but the candle positioning clearly indicates a temporary correction phase. Each second counts here, and you can visually see the market reacting to the earlier overextension. And there we have it. The candle closes beautifully in our direction, giving a clean reversal move from the upper band. The price respected the zone perfectly, snapping back after the power candle breakout. Now let's move forward and analyze the next live setup together. All right, traders, here we can clearly see a reversal at power candle zone setup taking shape. A strong red candle just broke below the lower Bollinger Band. Long body, short wick, full momentum push. This kind of move usually means sellers have overextended the market and a short-term snapback is very likely. Once that candle closed completely outside the band, it confirmed exhaustion. According to our plan, I entered a buy trade on the very next candle, expecting a technical pullback from this oversold zone. The setup fits perfectly with our rule-based reversal logic. Quick reaction, 1 minute expiry, clean confirmation. As the next candle opened, price immediately slowed down, the downward push faded, and a small green body began forming. The first few seconds were neutral, but notice how the lower wick stretched further while the candle body started lifting from the band edge. That's a classic sign of buying pressure returning. Gradually, the green candle expanded upward, showing that momentum was shifting. The previous heavy sellers were now being absorbed, and price was reacting sharply from the lower volatility boundary. And there it is, a clean reversal close. The candle finished strong in the upward direction, bouncing beautifully off the lower Bollinger Band. It's a textbook reaction that proves how well the power candle logic works when you wait for the right confirmation. And that wraps up today's live trading example using the reversal at power candle zone strategy. You saw how powerful this setup can be when used with patience, discipline, and clear confirmation. Always remember, success in trading doesn't come from guessing. It comes from following structure and staying emotionally balanced. Whether the trade wins or not, what truly matters is consistency and rule-based execution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming live tests and new strategy tutorials. Also, join our Telegram community for free educational updates, daily insights, and exclusive strategy PDFs. The link is in the description below. And as always, this content is for educational purposes only. Trade responsibly, keep learning, and trust the process. This is Sam Trading Strategies signing off. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.